Been doing a couple small things to IDE this morning. This isn't live yet, but just a couple small things. Before this model history um drawer, like it allowed you to resize, but it didn't actually resize. So now if you have model history and you want to see stuff larger or smaller, you can go do that. Resize properly. Um, been working on I've had a couple requests for like keyboard shortcuts for folding. So we kind of have ones to fold individual lines in the IDE. If you want to do that, you have to be at the top level to do it. But I went and added one this morning that copies the kind of VS Code command to do all the lines. So it's like on a Mac, it's Command K 0, Command K, Command 0 to fold all the lines, Command K J to unfold. You need to find a way to display these in the UI, but it's pretty helpful to be able to do that. I updated kind of our YAML parsing a little bit, and what this did is gave us like for like really long YAML files, especially relationship code folding didn't work well, but now it does. So if you want to like collapse your whole relationship file, you can Command K, Command 0, and it will drop everything, which is pretty nice. And then if you wanted to just like expand individual lines, you can go do that. And I fixed one more small thing. The color in the dark mode for like warnings was pretty hard to read. So that should be fixed when I merge this in. So a couple small IDE improvements coming soon.